She's so fired.
Look, she's about to turn in your jersey now.
I'm recording.
Look, she's like running from everybody. Hit somebody, Jasmin.
Jasmin, you gotta hit somebody.
He just did!
I know.
Look at her, she's just going in circles. Look at her.
Oh, she's just like nudge somebody. She's horrible. Oh, that is Chris. Oh, Chris has got rocked. Oh, his car is smoking now.
Ooh. He just bumped the hell out of Jasmin.
Oh, Jasmin.
He hit her too. It was him. That's funny as shit.
Oh, Chris. Sorry, Chris.
What do you say? Let's make some noise and keep it going.
Oh, Jasmin's done.
Oh, no, she's still running. She has no
Ooh, he
idea.
took off her bumper.
She's just getting rocked. She has no idea.
He's rocking Jasmin.
Oh, I got her a little bit on that one.
Ooh, oh, he like dirt just went in everyone's face. That's so awesome. Oh, Jasmin's smoking like shit.
Looks like they want a lot of cars done. Back to the radio station, everybody.
Oh, Chris, nice.
Oh, he's doing awesome. Oh, he's catching on fire.
What do you say?
Ooh, someone just blew up in Jasmin's car. She's scared.
Look, she's scared.
She's scared. She's about to climb out. Look at her. She's about to climb out, dude. Just get out then. What are you doing?
Don't get out.
Continue
What is she doing?
as we get closer
like
to
elfing.
qualifying. Remember, they must take an aggressive hit at least once a minute.
The smoke's getting raised.
Look, she's. Oh, close your fucking helmet. What are you doing? She's gonna get hurt. She can't even move.
Somebody hit her again.
Ooh, damn.
That was nice. Look, they're just stuck.
Jack's gonna rip it. Jack's gonna be the badass out there, I know it.
Jack's nice and shit.
Yeah, the boy can drive. And he's got a fucking tank over there.
The coach is running on the one-car.
Man, I wish I was in this shit. God.
Why vote?
Get that car. See what I'm saying? They're like, wow, pretty good.
Notice how all the people that are usually on the sidelines got away because they just got a little too dirty with it?